Good morning, YouTube friends, and
Hi.
welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. Today is the first episode of Crafting with Grandbaby.
Woo!
That's the grandbaby.
Hi.
Okay, so what we're going to do is maybe once a week.
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. Well, we got a fun project for today. Tell them what we're going to be doing today.
We're going to be making a vintage race car box for
Yeah.
your vintage race cars.
Go up close so they can see it. Look at that little vintage matchbox. Okay, and tell them where we got this stuff from. How much we paid for it.
Goodwill. I honestly don't know how much we paid for
It's got a price tag on it.
90%. Actually, that's pretty good for some Goodwill napkins. Very good, very good, very good.
Alright, we got these Hot Wheel napkins at the thrift store for 95 cents.
I said not to do my funny voices, but I'm gonna do funny voices.
And we got this wood box at the thrift store for $1.95. Okay, Carter, pull the tags off of them.
Pulling. I'm looking at a wheel. Wow.
And I did get this piece of fabric at a thrift store. It came in a box of sewing things. Okay, you can go ahead and open that up. And on the inside, we're going to line it with this red fabric.
The tag just won't come in. I have your scissors. Much obliged. Finally. There you go. So what we're going to do, Grandma?
Okay, when you decoupage, you have to take the napkin apart. So see, can you get that? This napkin is probably a 2-ply.
Toilet paper. What are you talking about toilet paper, Grandma? I thought we were talking about napkins.
Sometimes they're really hard to get apart.
I think we should lift it. Are we going to move it? How do we get the 2-ply part?
You just have to keep piddling around with it till you get it.
Oh, it's got chips on it.
It's not easy.
It's not.
This is probably the most difficult part of the whole project.
And we're back.
And we're back. Okay, you got it?
We took a little lunch break.
Okay, let's put the Hot Wheels in the center.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
Well, I believe the center would be right there.
Okay. You want to go ahead and open up the decoupage and get the paintbrush?
Really help with Mod Podge.
Alright, put the Mod Podge on there.
Modgy Podge, Modgy Podge, the Modgy Podge.
Alright, just smooth it out. Alright, go ahead. Good job.
Modgy Podge.
Now take the paintbrush and do like this. Because you want to tap out the bubbles.
It's a bit wrinkly. Is that okay?
Huh?
It's a bit wrinkly. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, decoupage is supposed to be wrinkly.
That would honestly make it look older.
Yeah.
Like a kind of.
Okay. Now add some here.
Some moosh push.
Mod Podge. Yeah. Hold your paintbrush up. There you go. Okay.
You didn't hear there's a gunshot in the background. Isn't it like the final day of deer hunting?
I think so. Okay, now put some here.
Oh, then now the hatches for the box. Die, die, die. Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. That sounds like a thing. There'll be much pleasure under here so we can get the pins down, right?
Mhm.
Did I just dump the two?
You want to do the whole box?
Yeah, let's do the whole box.
Okay, go ahead.
Why not, right?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously we'd have to cut out a hole right here. There we go. Wait, hold on. Put that down first. Okay. Go Hot Wheels!
Go ahead and add some more to that.
Mwah. Hello. There's our chicken. Miss Rogue. Grandma, you want to give the viewers a little sneak peek about what we're doing next week?
Yeah, what we doing next week?
I was asking you.
Oh.
Because I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Robots?
You don't know?
No.
What should we do next week?
You want to do the bottle robots?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do the robots. Okay, add some more.
That's more. That's more mush push. Get wrinkly. And I think maybe we should put that right here. So,
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, put some more on.
Turn it around.
Let's do this side.
Mosey pussy, mosey pussy. It's actually pretty good.
Mm-hmm. All right, now wash the rest of it. Hold the brush up like this.
It's a lot of mush push. Sorry. Mush push all over the paper. I wonder if we can mush push both papers together. That'd be cool. Once it all dries, doesn't it not turn white?
Yeah, the white goes away.
Like regular glue, actually. Do you understand? Do you know why?
Why? Why?
I was asking you.
No, I don't know.
I have to look that up.
All right, so
Or you
this,
can write it in the comments. Oh, we can sit it on his back. Oh, goodness, that was like the perfect cut.
yeah.
Woo!
Now when it dries, we'll take a razor and cut the opening.
Yeah, we might should. Now that I think about it, we kind of covered it all up.
It's okay. We'll get it with the razor. All right. Let's give this about an hour to dry, and then we'll come back and do the inside.
Okay.
All right, it's good and dry.
Hello? Anybody in there?
So we need to open it. Find this. We gotta find the opening.
It's right here.
I'm gonna do this part, okay? Cause I'm gonna have to.
It's under the race car thing.
So, cause I'm gonna use the sharp part of the scissors, okay?
allow your parents to do this, and remember, do this with adult supervision and adults help too.
Oh, maybe we should have did this thing up with the
Lid open
with
here.
the lid open.
I hope we're gonna be able to get it open.
Yeah.
If this doesn't work, remember to keep it open. Just thought I should say that.
Yeah. Alright, so can you get right there and pry it open like that?
I'll also bite your snack.
Alright.
Got it. Let's try it this way.
Oh. Got it. Okay. Nice. Okay, now all we need to do is put a piece of fabric on the inside.
I'm gonna get the fabric this over here.
Yeah, next time we gotta keep the box open.
Should we like line it?
Mm-hmm.
How do we do that? Should I go get a pencil?
Yeah.
I'll go get one of my markers. About some more snacks.
Okay.
I'll stop this. I like snacks.
Straw line right there. That's good. Okay. And then go back there and draw one across right here.
So we're not gonna do it on the top?
Yeah.
So no top.
Yeah, we are gonna do the top.
Okay, that's what I was doing another line. This was the decoupage round earlier.
Yeah, just put some in.
I'll use the spoon, Grandma.
There you go.
Grandma, I don't think this is our decoupage. I don't think you should use the spoon for eating afterwards. Oh, we can all that off. Oh.
Alright, go ahead.
Like we said at the beginning, this is my first time using Mod Podge.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got small fingers.
Okay, then clean that extra glue off the sides. There you go.
Isn't this a part of a shirt?
Yeah.
Sometimes she likes to cut up shirts and use them as a napkin.
That looks good. Okay, let's do the inside of this lid right here. Okay, that ought to be enough. There you go.
Yeah, gotta make use of this part. Not necessarily working out.
And since we got plenty of this,
Oh,
let's put that on there. What do you think?
Grandma, you got a good idea.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let me cut it out a little bit closer.
I got the Mod Podge on the spoon. Lovely. Don't eat it.
Alright. Now we just need to wait for it to dry again. And we're going to come back with a little piece of sandpaper and sand right here. And then we'll put our cards in there.
And voila. Well, we haven't done it yet, but we'll come back in about an hour
Yeah.
and do it.
Okay.
See you later, alligator. And we're back, and Papa's gonna help me finish.
Hello.
Would you like to tell anybody something?
They've done a good job on the decoupage. It looks good, so we're just sanding it around the edges a little bit here. As Carter's finishing that, I got a little story I can tell you about some of these cars. These are some that I played with when I was a kid. And my mother put them up and kept them for a long time until we got them again. And I've given them to Carter. And some of them are they're still pretty good shape. Some of them's been worn out a little bit because I played with them a lot.
Yeah, I don't necessarily play with them. I just got them on the shelf.
Carter said he just got them on the shelf. He don't really play with them too much.
But some of them I do. Some of them I have in my box.
Okay. So these things have brought a lot of joy for a lot of years. And we're going to do our best now to keep them inside stuff like this, to keep them safe, not tear up so bad. And we got one that's missing a couple of tires.
Yeah, this one does too. This one's missing a tire.
That's why we got a wrecker truck. We can pull him around. But I think he's going to have fun keeping them like this. And who knows, somewhere down the line, he may give them to his grandchild or his son and let them play with them and have fun with them. And he can tell them about his grandpa and how he gave them to him. So don't throw these things away. Keep them to pass on down to the next generation.
I got close.
All right, that's it. We hope you enjoyed it.
Bye.